No, that won't be possible. Yeah, so I wanted to understand from you, because technology and innovation and the craft and formatting has changed. So are we talking about large screen cinema, or we are talking about OTT? Because now some Chinese Americans are doing wonderful job in Hollywood, making micro mini drama and making billions of dollars. So what will be your advice to larger community who are in the industry, how to approach this problem?
It's not a problem. I feel it can go either way. You know, you can make content which is a feature film, and you can also make content which is long form content, which has many episodes in it, which is series, or even really short content which you're talking about. So I think that can be, it really depends on each individual what they would like to make. I don't think I particularly have any preference between, that.
Right. Prasad, what do you think that currently, like he rightly said, that it should be organic, not just because one comedy or one action movie will work. When we talk about shared culture, civilizational commonality, then what kind of themes would appeal to Indian filmmakers, Chinese filmmakers and Chinese audience, but made in collaboration with Indians?
So I also very strongly believe in this word, even though it might sound cliche. I believe that stories need to be very organic. And I think most of us, all of us in our panel will believe that story, when we think about a story, at least from a creative perspective, I don't think we should take into consideration what market, why we're doing it. Because today we live in a world where most of our emotions, most of our behavior has become very homogeneous. Thanks to social media, thanks to COVID, thanks to streaming. A young person in, let's say in Shanghai, would not be dramatically different than a young person in India.
Right.
And a young person in LA, for that matter. So what has happened is our behavioral patterns have become very similar. So I don't think there is a need to try and crack a formula, because filmmaking is, I know there are words like formulaic films, but I feel for a larger population like China, because China is not a diaspora market for Indian films.
Right.
It's organic audience. So they will never connect with the film which doesn't connect with them at a core level, at an emotional level. And there are a lot of, as we discussed earlier also, there are a lot of shared values. What we can do to support it is we can facilitate more young writers, filmmakers from India to travel to China. Like what Amir did beautifully. For years, Amir has been so open about interacting with the Chinese film fraternities. We consider him, as in I sound very wrong when I say we, but we consider him as part of our Chinese film fraternity. He's one of our own. And that has happened not only because of his films, but also the fact that he puts an effort to travel to that market, understand, meet those creators. I think one thing which we can do to facilitate more storytellers to interact with each other is to have filmmakers from India to travel to China, filmmakers from China to
so because
travel.
the more you interact, then the more you brainstorm, then the ideas start coming from
Exactly. So it's still organic, so you can't game the system. So only
Absolutely.
thing is that we become more familiar with each other's styles. So now when, yesterday we had a very lovely dinner and Peter and Amir and we were chatting about things and we suddenly realized, oh, we have common interests of something. Now that might become an inception in our head when we go back 1 year later, oh, suddenly that will click and come out of the story. So, that's the way I see the way forward.
And the other element to this action plan could be that Indo-China Film Festival kind of stuff and workshops and all of that.
That definitely.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's a good idea. And retrospective of
Indo-Chinese Film Festival. So they have Indian films and Chinese films, and then during the festival you have creative people from both countries interacting.
Correct.
That's a great idea.
That's
So
a great idea.
at least my
That will
film
propel
would be
it.
seen by Indian people.
No, I think that's a brilliant idea. I think one of the things which definitely maybe part 2 of Waves, second year of Waves, we can